Hello guys, welcome back to another video. We are back working on the BMW E60 today, and we actually have Simon from Diamond Details coming back for another video. Now you guys know that I have not long just refurbished the wheels on them and they are looking pretty sweet, but one thing is, you know, I don't really want to get them ruined now. Obviously, you know, when you have a lot of brake dust, a lot of that brake dust can end up bedding into the wheels, so I really want to protect them as best as possible. Now Simon has agreed to come along again today, and he actually has a solution to that, so I think you guys are going to enjoy this video, and obviously I'll show you the whole process behind what we're going to be doing, and yeah, hope you enjoy. Okay then, so we have the car up in the air. I'm going to take the wheels off pretty soon, but I just thought I'd show you what the wheels are looking like already. Now, like I said, these have been refurbished professionally about 2 weeks ago, and just look how dirty they are. They are completely covered in brake dust. Now this is the same for all 4 of the wheels, so obviously we want to do something about this. You know, it doesn't look the best when they, you know, get completely caked in the brake dust. So yeah, let's see what we get onto today. Okay, so first job then obviously is to get all 4 of the wheels removed. They are heavy, I know. It's the first wheel off. Okay then, so we have all 4 of the wheels now removed from the car. We just have one of them over here, just removing the center cap from the rear. Do not attempt to remove the center cap from the front, you're just going to end up damaging the face of the wheel. But now they're going to get cleaned.
Yeah, so we'll basically do the same clean that we do on the car.
Yeah.
You know, well, I'll snow foam it, give it a proper wash and clean inside and out.
These are already filthy after what, 2 weeks of being refurbished. Okay, so all 4 wheels are lined up. The center caps have been removed. Now that is because you want to remove the center caps, because if you don't, essentially you're going to have part of the wheel that isn't going to be sealed, because we are in fact going to be ceramic coating these to protect them from future grime and dirt and make them a lot easier to clean. So for example, if the center cap was still in, you would have a very small contact area that wouldn't be sealed with the ceramic coating. Alright, they look clean, job done, eh?
Yeah, ready to go back on, mate.
That's just after the first rinse, just to get the bulk of the brake dust off. Now they're just going to have a hand wash just to try and remove the majority of what's left on there. Now I can already see they're coming up quite clean, aren't they?
Yeah.
Okay, so all 4 of the wheels have had a pre-rinse and then a hand wash with shampoo, and then that's all been rinsed off, and now they're going to get ready for a snow foam wash. now you're just going to dry the wheels off after rinsing them?
Yeah, just see if there's any other bits of dirt that we've missed or whatever, give them a good check over.
And now what's this you're doing now?
So just applying the ceramic coating to the wheels.
And how many coats of this needs to go on?
So we do 2 coats of it, and then it adds protection for 2 to 3 years.
Oh, brilliant. And is this basically the same as, you know, the ceramic coating that goes on the bodywork then?
Yeah.
So you apply it and then essentially just buff it off after? The same as what you do on the bodywork?
Yeah, that's it really.
Okay. And while the 4 wheels dry the first coat of the ceramic coating, we're actually going to give the wheel arches a good clean, may as well, while the car is up in the air. As you can see, pretty damn filthy under here. Most of this should remove, it's, you know, only light stuff, but yeah, I'm going to give this a good clean and get all of the road grime and dirt removed, and then obviously put the wheels back on when they're done. Now that the wheel arches have been rinsed, what's this you're doing now then?
Just cleaning all that, just getting all the grime off it basically.
Yeah, with a bristle brush.
Yeah.
And what's that spray then? Is that like a?
It's just a cleaner.
Like a general all-purpose cleaner sort of thing.
Yeah, basically, yeah.
Yeah, looking good. And you gave them a dry, have you, the wheel arches?
Yes, I dried them all off. And
what's this you're putting on now then?
No, this is like a plastic protector. Oh. Just helps with all the dirt and grime.
Sticks to it a lot less.
Yeah.
And take a look at how much better these wheel arches look now. A massive difference it makes with just a bit of time and effort. And now we've got the second coat of ceramic coating going on.
Yeah, so last coat and then let it dry for an hour.
And should be good to go back on the car.
Yeah.
Okay, and so here's how they look after 2 coats of the ceramic coating. They're going to be left to dry for an hour or so before I go ahead and refit them back onto the car, but they look so good now. They look brand new. Okay then, so the wheels are now back on the car after the ceramic coating has dried for an hour or so, and I'm going to get this thing back on the ground and then we can go ahead and reinstall the center caps, and I also have some new M Sport badges to go on as well. So the wheels are back on then, the wheel nuts are torqued up, and it's time for the finishing touches now. So we have the center caps, these are the originals. I've actually just gave them a good clean up, and then we have our new M Sport wheel badges. I'll probably put these on first just so I can line these up with the center of the badge, and then we'll know where they sit then. Okay, there goes our center caps. There we go then, that's our new M Sport sticker on. That's the original center cap back in. Just got to do the same for the other 3 wheels now. And that is all 4 wheels done. Have you ever seen wheels as clean as this though? Just look at them. How good do they look? Okay, then, so that's the wheels done on my BMW E65 series. They have been fully sealed and ceramic coated, and that should be good for 2 or 3 years or so. And I only really have Simon from Diamond Details to thank for that. If you are interested in getting any work done from Simon, I can't recommend him enough. His attention to detail is second to none. Like I've said before, you know, he detailed the entire exterior of the E60, and yeah, he done a cracking job at that as well. And we may have a couple more little projects planned in the pipeline as well, so stay tuned for that. But like I said, if you do want to check him out, all of his links will be down in the description box below. You know, go check him out on Instagram, give his website a little look through as well. And obviously, if you want any work doing on your car, don't hesitate to contact him, and he'll be sure to you know, let you know how much that's going to be. But yeah, I hope this video has been, you know, somewhat enjoyable. It's been a little bit different. I thought I would, you know, try and really showcase what Simon could do in this video. And yeah, I'm just glad that my wheels are going to be much better protected now for the next few years or so. But yeah, I want to thank all of you for watching anyway. Please give this video a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you have not already done so, and I will see you all in that next one. Peace!